Although they are mostly caused by aging, forehead wrinkles can also be caused by other factors like stress in your life, poor nutrition, or smoking. With so many factors that can cause wrinkles, you need ways to fight back too. Good thing is that you can get rid of forehead wrinkles with some simple methods that you can use at home. In this video, we are looking at 5 of these ways. You can use these methods to get rid of forehead wrinkles, or reduce them and prevent new ones. Five simple ways to get rid of forehead wrinkles at home. These days, there are many professional methods to remove wrinkles. However, these methods require larger budgets, going under surgeries, or repeating dermatologist visits. But if you are willing to put some time and effort into it, you can remove most fine forehead wrinkles yourself at home. Here you can see some of our favorite methods against forehead wrinkles. Citrus fruits for removing forehead wrinkles. One of the easiest ways that you can remove forehead wrinkles is by making masks with citrus fruits. Citrus fruits, like lemon and orange, are rich in vitamins C and E, which are very helpful against wrinkles. And these fruits can feed the capillaries. So they can both remove fine wrinkles and prevent them from coming back. To use citrus fruits for removing your forehead wrinkles, you can apply their juice on your forehead with a piece of cotton wool. If you have sensitive skin, you can mix the citrus juice with some water too. After applying the citrus juice to your skin, you should let your skin absorb it and wash it after it dries. Alternatively, you can mix the juice of these fruits with some flour and make a paste too. Then you can use this paste as a beauty mask for your forehead wrinkles. You can also use the pulp of citrus fruits that is left after squeezing the fruits. To do this, you can just spread the pulp across your wrinkled skin like a mask and leave it there for about 10 minutes. This will nourish your skin too. Coconut oil for removing forehead wrinkles. Coconut oil is among the oils that you can use to moisturize your skin and keep them from drying. This moisture is essential in getting rid of fine wrinkles. Moreover, thanks to the antioxidants that it contains, coconut oil can remove some harmful elements that can cause wrinkles from your skin. To remove forehead wrinkles, you can apply some coconut oil to your skin and massage it until your skin absorbs it. If you continue this treatment for a while, you can notice your skin getting softer and some wrinkles disappearing. Castor oil for removing forehead wrinkles. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid. This compound is quite effective against fine wrinkles. It shows antioxidant properties and removes harmful contents that can cause wrinkles from your skin. You can use castor oil by putting a few drops on your forehead and lightly massaging it in. It is best if you do this before going to bed so it can work into your skin until the morning. Flax seed oil for removing forehead wrinkles. Flax seed oil offers a method to remove forehead wrinkles with oral consumption. Unlike the other oils we mentioned here, you don't apply this oil onto your skin, but you need to ingest it. Flax seed oil contains many antioxidants and a high amount of omega-3. And it increases the skin volume and moisture after consumption. Therefore, if you take some flax seed oil every day, your skin moisture increases, and the fine wrinkles can disappear. If you consume flax seed oil a couple of tablespoons or more every day for 2 weeks, you should start to see a reduction in your forehead wrinkles. Jojoba oil for removing forehead wrinkles. Jojoba oil is another substance that is rich in vitamin E and esters. As we mentioned earlier, vitamin E is essential in removing forehead wrinkles. Vitamin E is necessary for the collagen production of your skin. Collagen forms the skin structure and erases wrinkles. Esters, on the other hand, are known to prevent new wrinkles from forming. You can apply jojoba oil on your skin by putting a few drops on your forehead and massaging the skin with it. You can push your fingertips upwards from your eyebrows towards your hairline. This way, you can smooth wrinkle lines better. After you massage your forehead skin with the oil for a few minutes, you can let it absorb the oil for 20 minutes and then wash your face to clean it. You can get the best result if you do this massage every day before you go to bed. To see our latest videos, you can subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video to support us. Also, you can share this video with your friends to spread the information. We appreciate your comments and suggestions down below too. Thanks for watching.